How to add on to Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime add-on. So the add-on feature basically lets you add additional channels or streaming services on a subscription basis. So you will be able to watch the live streaming or other kind of extra additional channels through the Amazon add-on features. For example, if there is any live football matches or any other kind of events that is being broadcasted, you will be able to subscribe to it and watch it on your device. So whenever they are available, you will have the option to choose if you want to subscribe for the add-on features or not. You need to note that you have to pay additional fees for the Amazon add-on subscriptions. By doing that, you will be able to watch the streamings which is on broadcast on TV. So that's how you can use the add-on features in your Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.